Hi, I'm Chris. I'm a sales representative, and basically what my job is to measure windows and doors and come up with designs in consultation with the customer to see exactly what they need and want. So we're pretty busy here at Nordik. We do about 600 estimates a year. I've seen every situation and every problem that could occur. There's no situation that we can't resolve for you. Well, I was born in Victoria, BC. My dad was in the Navy, and so I've lived actually all over Canada. So I've seen pretty much a lot of the major cities. I've always wanted to be a musician, so I've been playing guitar, went to school for music, and I still play today. This is my guitar. Don't ask me to sing a song when I come for the estimate because I don't bring it with me. If you're really good, maybe I'll send you a song. Well, I'm a busy guy. I have a wife and 2 girls, and they play hockey, so a lot of times you're gonna see me taping up sticks, getting skates sharpened, or cheering them on in the crowd. I'm a big hockey fan, I follow the Leafs, but I'm on the radio listening to games all the time. So if you see a Nordik band going by, and all of a sudden you see this red light go off, it means the Leafs have scored.